How to move a message to spam on Messenger. So the first thing that we need to do is to check if our Messenger is up to date. So go to your App Store, type in Messenger, and update if this says update. If it says open, and then go ahead and open the Messenger application. And then choose the conversation with the person you want to report as spam. Once you've opened your conversation, click on their name here on the top area, and then you will be directed to this page. In here, you need to scroll down until you see the option to report. Click on report, and since spam isn't here initially, choose the other option. In this page, the spam should show up. Choose spam and then submit report. That is how to move a message to spam on Messenger. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.